Okay guys, welcome back. Let's just continue from where we stopped the last time. So I want to work on the uh, our view holder here. So just create, no, don't make this private. Just create a circle image view. Circle image view. Just call this user image. And the second one will be a text. No, don't, a text view for the name. So let's say text view name, and the next thing you want to do is to create a view, and then we'll just say item view. You can call it any name you want, doesn't really matter. And here in the inside the method, inside this place, we want to just initialize the item view. So just say item view will be equals to, oh, we already have the same name here, so just change this later. So change this one to item view. So item view will be equals to our item view. Now we need to initialize the widget user image. No, not the user list. User image. There's something wrong with this thing. Circle. Sorry about this. I don't know why I'm having this error. I just don't know why I'm having this error. Circle image. It's not even importing. Circle image view. Well, I think something is wrong. Either with, I just don't know, but something is definitely wrong somewhere. Let me pause this video and let me try to fix this. Uh, I, I did not. Something was missing here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't see it clearly the first time. So circle image view and just say user image. So this cannot be referenced before support program has been called. Okay, so just delete this out. Oh. Just copy this and paste it here. So that should get rid of the errors. And now we need to initialize this. The user image was called what? Circle image view 2, and the username was called text view 3. So circle image view 2 and text view 3. Okay, so the user image is equals to the item view. Let me not miss mistake. Item view dot find view by ID. Arrow dot ID dot circle image view two or okay. And then the name equals to the item view dot find view by ID dot ID dot text view 3. Okay, so now that this is done, we want to call a method. Let's just say public void set user, just say set user data, and this will take in two string. So the first one will be called the name, Second parameter here will be called the image. Now in just inside here we want to say name dot set text. Okay, there's something wrong. So rename this, just say name one. Just set text to name one 11. No. And then the next thing we want to do is to use our Picasso library. So Picasso dot width. Our context we already have it, though is not initialized, so make sure you initialize it in here. Okay, so this is what we're going to do here. Let's say context. So the context will be equals to the, how do we do this? Oh, okay. Let's cancel this for now. Just go below. Just go below, and what we need to do. Okay, I think I get it now. So we need to use the view, our view group, since we already have it. So we use the view group dot get context. So that should be, yep. Let's have to initialize it. I'm sorry about that. So call the context here, and then just load the URI. Here we want to load the image, and we load it into the user image. So now this is done. Okay, one last thing. We need to okay. Uh Someone asked me a question how we can set an on-click listener for recycler view items. So I'll just show you the best practice of how to do it. Or there are other ways to do it. You instead of just using interface, you can just do something like, let's say I want to set an on-click listener for our image inside the recycler view item. Remember the integer here is the position, which is the I. So I'll just rename this to position. So I can just do something like let's see, user view holder dot our user image dot set and click listener new on click listener. So this can also work. It can also work, but it's not the right way to do it. I won't recommend this pattern. The right way to do it is to use an interface. So we'll do that now. So create an interface. So it's just a public interface. Now our interface will just be called let's say I want to call it oh, name user ID. Okay, so user ID is fine. So in here, from Java 8 this thing change. If it's okay, if you have Java that is not up to Java 8 install on your machine, what you can just do is to create a function, just say void. You can just say get ID, and in here you pass in what you want to get here. So in our case, we want to get just a string. So just pass string here, and we'll just say ID. Now this is done. But the issue comes when you want to use it here. Android Studio will give you error telling you that you need to create a default value for this thing. So just come here. Sorry about this. Come here and say default. Why is it not showing up? Default. Okay, showing up. So just say void, and then this is just gonna be a long. Oh, it's just a log. I'm sorry, just a log. So the log actually takes in parameters. Okay, so the parameter of this log would just be in form of an integer. So just say str. Now inside it we use the system just to print. So system Yeah. System dot out dot print, and then we just put in something, and we can just append this. So this is gonna be a plus, then just call it the arrow. Now you still have errors, but I'll fix that later. So go above here, you need to also add that context to this constructor above here. So go up, call it here. So we say private, what do we call it? What was the name again? Okay, user ID. So it's a private user ID, which is the context.